everybody, it's Neil and welcome to the kitchen. And today I have this 3-in-1 charging stand. So you should be able to charge your phone, your watch, and your iPad or AirPod Pros is what I have. So hopefully that's what you can do it with that. So let's see what this thing looks like here. We'll open it up. And it says 3-in-1 multi-charging, whatever. And there's the information about the company on it there, you can see. But let's take a look and open it up if I can. Man, plastic's on there good. Okay, so plastic's off. And now, let's check out the charging stand here. So in here, so here's the box. So you can see we've got the instructions. We have the little pad, I guess, that the phone's gonna lean up against. Comes with a USB to USB-C wire here. And the charging block for the USB thing. I'm guessing this is gonna be the watch holder. And then here's the base. So let's check this out. It's kind of cool. So here you can see all the stuff on it. So it's this one's cool because it actually comes with all the adapters already in it, so you don't have to sit there and run other wires into it. So let's see how this looks. So we're gonna put this together. So, oh, clips right in there. This is gonna be the phone thingy. I'm guessing I have to take it out. There's a little screw on the back here. You see I'm taking it out to put this thing here, to screw it in for the phone to lean against. I'm not gonna be able to show you the phone or the AirPods. I don't have my AirPods with me, darn it. But okay, so what you can see it goes there, but I can show you how the watch goes. We'll try it on here. So here, put my watch on there. Oh, and it magnetizes on. Let's plug it in and see if it charges. Decent sized cord, 3 feet, I guess. It's a nice little station. I like this. And then it plugs into the back and ding, and there we go. So it's charging, so it's pretty cool. And then so you can see it's got the little port, the little lightning port that sticks up here to go into the AirPods case. And it's got the one that sticks up here to go into the phone. And you see the one for the phone. So if you have a case on your phone, you can adjust it forward and back. You see like this thing here will slide forward and back. So it'll fit with a case on. So like if I have my phone case here, so I could put it there. So that's actually back too far. I would need to go forward more. So like right about there. And then I would be able to put my phone right on it. And it's got a really long tongue there, so it'll fit through the case, no problem. So it's gonna be able to charge with a case on it. You could probably have even any of the biggest cases, OtterBox ones or whatever, and it's gonna charge right through there. So that's good. And same with this one here. Looks like it's gonna charge through anything because it sticks up pretty high. So if you have a case on your AirPods, you're gonna be golden. So this is really a nice. I like this one. This is probably my favorite charging stand I've ever had. I've had some that are like metal and some that have lights and clocks on them, but this one here, it's super compact and it's got everything here. Super easy to put on there, so it's good. And it's nice the way it charges with the wire. Sometimes they have the ones that charge with the induction thingy, but if you look like at my case here, I have a little handle on it, so mine never charges through the case, so I can't do those induction charging. I have to plug them in. So for me, this is what I need. So this one here, good, thumbs up from me for sure. Seems nice and durable. I mean, I think it's plastic, but it's nice and heavy. Obviously the magnet holds on good for the watch, so we're good. So thumbs up from me. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some other review things soon. This is really good, my favorite one for sure. So let's look at that. The brand again was on here somewhere. Oh, it was on the plastic. What did I do with the plastic? Here, it was this one here. If you have a barcode reader on your phone, which probably nobody does. There we go, and that's it. So I like it. Box empty, see, there you go. Love it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.